Hello everyone, welcome back to Yibu Beauty YouTube channel. I'm Steve Jens. Okay, today's videos, I want to talk about the best holiday gift, especially focus on skincare. And this time, I'm going to focus my own skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. And let's get started today's video. Just in case you don't know this, I left the company I worked for the last 17 years and started my own skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. Yibu is Chinese character meaning one step. We believe that everything we do in life, before you're making the physical step, you all begin with the mental step. Just like the skincare. If you want to have a healthy, beautiful looking skin, you gotta know exactly what does your skin need and your concern. Then you can find a product that help you to address the concern, then you can achieve the ideal looking skin. Our slogan is, you are Yibu away from ideal skin. Okay, so before I go into the holiday set that we offer for this season, I want to do a quick announcement. You probably recognize this box. That's our original Mooncast. That's what we launched this about 2 years ago. And now we are getting an upgrade. Are you ready? Ta-da! That is our brand new box for Mooncast. Definitely more on brand, and I love the ombre colors. We're every day working at Yibu Beauty as a founder, as a creator for the brands. I have so many ideas, getting feedback from all of you guys. And I feel like there's something just missing in our brand, and then I realized it is the colors. So we take from this box to the brand new box, and then you can see down here, that's the purple one. That's our brand new collection, Enchanting Balloon, and that is the purple ombre colors. Quickly talk about the Enchanting Balloon collections. This collections, we're starting off with the refining serum and refining moisturizer, and we custom made our first rose sea salt bath bomb. Oh my god. So what is the Enchanting Balloon collection for? I create this collection based on we all facing so many stress throughout the day, and before you go to sleep, a lot of time you're still thinking about the stress you have during the daytime, and you carry that stress with you and go to sleep. Let me tell you, that is not good for your skin. You are gonna wake up even more stressed than yesterday. So I want to create a skincare collection that will really focus on your mind and help you to relax and calm. And beside that, we want to provide you the best ingredient like niacinamide. It repair your skin barrier, so the next morning you're gonna look fantastic. Every product in the Enchanting Balloon, it all contain rose and sweet orange essential oil. It took us literally 8 months to create this perfect scent. I can't wait for you to experience the Enchanting Balloon. The bath bomb. Why did I create a bath bomb? I found it for myself when I'm stressed out, when I'm not feeling good about myself, either physically or mentally, taking a hot bath, it really relaxes me. So we create the bath bomb blended with the rose essential oil in there and this purple sea salt. It's a complete ritual for your skincare. You take a hot bath first using our rose sea salt bath bomb. After that, you apply the Enchanting Balloon collections. Next morning, you're gonna have a fabulous looking skin. Now, let's talk about the 5 different sets we have for this holiday season. The first kit is our holiday 5-piece glow set. It contains superpower duo, multitasking serum and multitasking moisturizer. And you can pick either light to medium or medium to dark multitasking tinted moisturizer. Plus, we're giving you 2 rose sea salt bath bombs. Retail for $112. During the holiday, we are offering for $90. That is about 20% off. The next set is Enchanting Balloon Set with multitasking tinted moisturizer. Value at $91, we are selling for $60. Basically, you're getting the full size $29 tinted moisturizer for free, plus a little bit more. In this kit, you get to experience the refining serum and refining moisturizer from the Enchanting Balloon collection, and you can pick the right color for multitasking tinted moisturizer for your skin. The next one is by far is my favorite set right over here. I want to show you guys this. This is our Enchanting Balloon set. When you purchase this set, you will get a box like this, including our beautiful information card. Tells you exactly what's in the Enchanting Balloon collections. And this beautiful purple color tissue folded very, very nicely basically, let me show you. This set is a value at $80, but you only pay for $55. You're getting the refining serum and refining moisturizer, plus the 2 sea salt rose bath bombs. I gotta show you guys this. This is such a beautiful bath bomb. All the bath bomb comes in with the beautiful box like this with all the information that you need. Before you open this, you can already smell the essential rose oil in there. And when you open it, take a closer look of this bath bomb. Let me get closer. So the bath bomb is blended lavender colors, and the center it is the purple sea salt, and on the edge of the sea salt we use little gold touch. So when you drop this in the bathtub, if you look very closely, you can see a little gold shimmery in the water. Absolutely amazing, amazing. I do want to let you know that people always thought one bath bomb is enough for the bathtub. It really depends what size is your bath bomb. Our bath bomb is about 4.2 ounce, 120 grand. So if you fill up the tub with lots of water, ideally you want to use 2 bath bombs to create that beautiful aroma scent. That's why in this gift set we'll offer 2 bath bombs in there for you. Basically, you're getting 2 bath bombs for free, plus a little bit more. If you are the bath bomb lover, I know there's a lot of you out there, me too. We are offering this Enchanting Balloon bath bomb deal. Buy 2, get 1 free. Value at $27, but you only pay $18. There's one more set I want to share with you. It is our best value set at Yibu Beauty. It is our Yibu Beauty Grand Experience. This value at $213, you only pay $145. It's up to over 30% off. In this kit, you get to experience every product in Yibu Beauty. Plus, you get to choose your favorite shades of a Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer. Oh, did you see there's a rose quartz roller in there? I appreciate your support of my own social media here, so you can use my own personal discount code STEVE15 on our website. You're also going to get 15% off on top of all the value sets. I can't wait for you to experience the Yibu Beauty. You are just Yibu away from ideal skin.